Okay, here we are. MSC Seaside 9026 is the room. And as you come in, it's set up, if you're familiar with MSC, all the rooms look relatively the same. So when you first walk in, you have the bathroom on the right, which is a standard bathroom. You can see here, shower. You do have the spot in there that holds your key card that keeps your lights on. And your thermometer temperature settings are right here. When you come in a little further, you can see there is a the desk, I guess you'd say, and the mini bars right in front of that. Not included. Your closet is to the side. Remove my stuff. You can see there's a safe. There's some shelves, there's some drawers, and then there's some hanging, which has two doors. And if your bed is right next to the side instead of by the balcony, it's a little tough to get into the hanging part, but here's that. You can see that the room, this is a Aurea balcony. You can see that there is a couch. You can see there's the bed. There's a couple of outlets, European outlets, American outlets. Nothing over by the bed, just lights. One side has a USB here. And then if you come onto this particular balcony, like I said, room 9026, there's actually a pretty large balcony with 2 lounge chairs and 2 regular chairs. Outside, we are sailing from Miami. If you want to take a peek at what Miami's terminal looks like, this is the MSC Miami terminal. Right here is a rather large terminal. Right below this balcony, and we'll see how that goes throughout the week, there are some cabanas that have 2 lounge chairs and a table in them. So we'll see how that goes. This happens to be on the side. There's a hot tub there as well. This is the side that has smoking. So we'll see if that makes any kind of difference during the trip for that. So once again, here's the room when you look from the balcony door. Standard room with the bed, the couch, the closet, the door, the TV, everything else.